Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my another video. In this video, I am going to show you how to make a 3D line in Microsoft Publisher. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Publisher document. Now we want to make a 3D line in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the Shapes drop down menu and we can see here the line shape. Then click it. Then draw this shape. Press Shift on our keyboard. Then go to the shape format menu and click shape outline. Then choose the outline wide 6pt. Then go to the shape effect option and choose 3D rotation. Then rotate this shape any 3D rotation. Now we can see we make this line 3D very easily. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.